Wait, who are you?
Oh.
What are we doing?
Oh, hi. I'm Avery Peacock, and today we're making shrimp with our air fryer.
Yes.
So
sorry for the confusion. We had just made Brussels sprouts. So yeah.
Yes.
Go ahead.
We put shrimp in a bag.
So they were frozen shrimp, cooked and deveined, but tails still on.
Yes. We put salt and pepper on them, avocado oil so that they can have something to stick to, and herb and garlic seasoning. So now we're gonna put it in the air fryer.
Air fryer is a little dirty because, like I said, we just made Brussels sprouts. You can check that video out. Excuse me, I have a Brussels sprout in the back of my throat.
So we want to make sure that we spread them out.
Yeah, they really don't want them to overlap. So we're just gonna have to spread them out a little bit.
Good enough. Well, that looks good enough. So we are going to put them back. Turn it on. Temperature is 400. And for 5 minutes.
Then at 5 minutes, we'll flip them.
Boom.
All right, anything else?
No, it's good.
So one thing about air fryers is you have to have the air going through to cook everything. So most things, excuse me, most things they do want, completely laying flat. So we'll try and see, if this causes any problems. Some of them are overlapping.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay, so we're back. So we've gone 5 minutes with the shrimp, and you can see they kind of shrunk a little bit. So, because they, because they were frozen, and so I was wondering if that might be a problem, just because, the water. And they said you really want to get a lot of water out, but I think we're gonna be okay. You could tell we probably could have used a little more seasoning, so we probably should add a little bit more than that. It's really, you're supposed to flip them, but there's really. They're cooking on both sides. So I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to try and give them a little, this is probably not a good way to do it because I don't know what's flipped and what hasn't flipped. But that's okay. So these are pre-cooked also. That was another reason I got these. Less likely for me to kill all of us by not cooking shrimp all the way through. But I am going to add a little bit of, they look like they already have some moisture on them, so that's good. So I am going to add a little bit more of the garlic and herb sauce that we had, or maybe garlic and herb. I don't know. Maybe it's garlic and herb. Okay, I'm not dad jokes. All right, so I'll sprinkle a little bit more of this on there, and then what we'll do, because it's air, right? If it's not, it's gonna fly everywhere. So we'll put just a little bit more olive oil on these to kind of stick it. And then also, one thing I heard the other day was a lot of these oils, they have, I don't know if this one does or not, but they have these propellants in them, and that's why they say to get the normal spray thing. So we'll be doing that, but ours hasn't come in yet. So they're looking pretty good. They smell great. So we'll put them in for 5 more minutes at 400, and then I was using the wrong finger. We will let you know how they can turn out, but so far so good. So yeah, so everything's good. Life is good. Kids are good. Andrew's over there studying. He probably doesn't want to be on the video, but so we'll pretend he's not. And okay, that's all we got. So 5 more minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay, so we made Brussels sprouts first. That was on the other video. And then we made shrimp. And that was on this video. So there we go. Looks pretty good. Avery, give me your thoughts.
So the Brussels sprouts were pretty good. I normally don't like them, and they were very good. The only problem, the shrimp are really good, just need more seasoning, and I would do 2 doses just because there's not as much and they seem to have shrunk.
Yeah, probably add bacon to the Brussels sprouts next time. And the shrimp, they are great. They're really, really good. Probably, like Avery said, could maybe marinate them, maybe. I don't know. We'll look for some different recipes. And once we kind of get some of this stuff really, really going, we'll let you know.
Yeah.
But I would say that these 2 dishes, we're both the win, and we're excited. And now we're gonna turn the video off so we can go eat. Okay, Avery, anything else you want to say?
Brussels sprouts aren't bad.
Okay, hey, we'll take it. Win. Okay, bye.
Bye.